It's toy time with Mimi. Welcome. I'm so excited to show you this brand new Disney Frozen Deluxe Troll Wedding set. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I just am so excited. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. You can see that it includes Kristoff and Anna and 2 trolls and even Olaf. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is so great. They're wearing their costumes that the trolls outfitted them with, and they look so happy. Let's see if we can get them unfastened and have a little bit of fun with them. Let me see. Let's get Olaf free. There he is. Well, hello folks. I'm glad to see you today. We'll set Mr. Olaf over here. And then let's release Kristoff from his bondage. All right. So, this is your family that you've been telling me about, Kristoff? Well, it's part of my family. Oh, there's a whole bunch more of them somewhere around in the forest. I'm kind of confused. Are they rocks? Of course they're not rocks. They're trolls. Very friendly trolls. Friendly trolls, that's what we are. Hey guys, nice to see you. I just have trouble sitting up here sometime. All right, there I am. Hey, nice to meet you all. My name's Charlie. Hey, my brother. Come on, are you gonna come up here too? Come on. Oh, I'm so tired. Hey, guy. All right, it's Kristoff. We haven't seen you forever. Guys, it's so good to see you both. Hey, Charlie, Jake, nice to see you. Hey, I'm glad to meet you guys too. My name is Olaf, and I'm also very friendly. I'm a very friendly snowman, but I'm kind of tired, so I think I'm going to just go back here and sit down near this other rock. Well, Kristoff, are you going to introduce us to your girlfriend? She's pretty. I'm excited that you brought her to see us. Kristoff, what's her name? What's your girlfriend's name? I'm sorry for my impoliteness. I should have introduced my friend, Jake and Charlie. This is not my girlfriend. This is my friend, and her name is Anna, Princess Anna. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you, Charlie and Jake. It's great to meet you. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited. I can't believe this. I can't believe this is happening. This is so incredible. Kristoff has a girlfriend. Kristoff has a girlfriend. Kristoff has a girlfriend, and she's a princess. A princess. Kristoff, you're gonna marry a princess. Kristoff is gonna marry a princess. Kristoff is gonna marry a princess. Kristoff, does that mean you'll be a prince when you marry Anna? Guys, settle down, please, please, please. I've been telling you, Anna is my friend, not my girlfriend, and I am never going to marry her. Get it? Ha ha. I would say you should never say never, because you never know what the future has in store. Let's just wait and see.